Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called Diary of a Worm, Teacher's Pet. October 3. Today is Tuesday. It's almost the weekend. I love weekends. I get to hang out with Spider and Fly. I wish we went to the same school. I guess that wouldn't work. I can't see Fly in squirming class. I think I've got it this time. And I already know Spider can't dig. October 4. We had a sub at school today. Mrs. Mulch took a day off for her birthday. I didn't know the teachers had day offs or birthdays. The sub said, "Why don't you have a party for Miss Mulch on Monday?" After lunch, everyone talked about what they were going to give Miss Mulch at the party. A fuzzy mold pillow, an eggshell candy dish. Me? I had tons of ideas. October 5. What to give Miss Mulch. Dung ball paperweight, silk slippers, trash splash perfume, gum wrapper scarf. The gum wrapper idea wasn't bad. It was like my dad just ate the last gum wrapper. I have to think of something. Miss Mulch is a better teacher I've ever had. Burp. October 6. I woke up worried. One more day until the party, and I was still stumped to take my mind off my troubles. Spider and Fly picked me up to go kite flying. Even that didn't cheer me up. "Thanks for trying, guys," I said gloomy. Just then Fly spotted something with her zillion eyes. "Hey, what's that?" she said. It was a big apple, a big, red, shiny one. Teachers love apples, but wait a second, was it rotten? Spider took me down to check. I poked the apple. Squish! It was rotten, all right. Yes, hooray! The perfect present at last. Now I just gotta get it to my school. I pushed, Spider pulled, Fly cheered. It took forever, but we made it. October 7, party day. I was feeling good. Then I heard someone say I found a great card for my gift. Miss Mulch will love it. Card? Uh-oh. Lucky for me, I haven't eaten breakfast yet. I finished just in time. Miss Mulch was thrilled. I gave her 3 things in one. A birthday gift, a birthday card, and a birthday surprise. Happy birthday! A present for my teacher. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!